Hello everyone! Pagpatuloy natin sa ngayon ang ating discussion on partnership dissolution. Sa ngayon, isang topic na naman ito or isang klase ng partnership dissolution yung ating pag-uusapan. Previously kasi, from the last 3 lectures, pinag-usapan natin dito yung purchase of interest and yung admission by investment. So basically, merong partner na incoming, kaya nagkakaroon ng change doon sa original association ng mga existing or current partners. So ngayon naman, ang pag-usapan natin ay yung withdrawal of a partner. Pero ang emphasis natin dito is yung tinatawag natin na partners buyout of interest. Now, let me tell you that when we are talking of a withdrawal of a partner, it can be voluntarily or involuntarily. Pag sinabing voluntarily, kusa na nag-withdraw siya. Let's say ayaw niya na, gusto niya nang magpahinga bilang isang partner, so voluntarily yon. Pag involuntarily naman, ibig sabihin, sa ayaw niya or hindi, kailangan siyang tanggalin. Okay? So, yun yung difference. Now, let me take you to the following 2 notes that I have on withdrawal of a partner. The first one being, and let me read it to you, prior to withdrawal, the capital balances of the partners must be adjusted. So, bago magkaroon ng withdrawal, yung isa sa mga partners, kailangang ma-adjust muna yung capital balances para ma-ensure na correct yung valuation ng kanyang equity. For instance, yung mga adjustments ng mga prior period errors, o kaya naman, kailangang i-revalue yung properties kasi kailangang i-appraise ito para at least updated yung kanyang equity bago siya tanggalin. Another note, yung capital balance ng withdrawing partner must also be updated to account for the share in net profit or loss from day 1 of the current year up to the date of his or her withdrawal. So, kanina, yung note 1, ito is more of adjustments ng mga assets, adjustment ng mga liabilities if ever. Dito naman, adjustment to effect or to reflect yung kanyang share in net profit or net loss from day 1 of the current year hanggang doon sa time na siya ay mag-withdraw. Kasi normally, ang share in net profit or net loss na didetermine ito at the end of the year. Kung halfway or mid-year or anytime within the year siya nag-retire or nag-withdraw, o kailangang i-reflect yung kanyang portion. Now, take for instance this illustration. Now, assume that partners A, B, and C have capital balances of 40, 50, and 30 respectively. Now, yung sharing of profits is in the ratio of 5, 3, 2. 5 kay partner A, 3 kay partner B, 2 kay partner C. 6 months after, partner C withdrew from the partnership with the consent of partners A and B. So, umalis na siya sa partnership, Pumayag yung partners A and B. It was agreed that the books will not be closed but that C's share in net profit for 6 months based on average net income for the last 3 years, which was 27,000. So, i-update yung share ni partner C based on the average net income of the last 3 years. At dito, given na siya as 27,000 pesos. C made cash withdrawals of 1,500 prior to his withdrawal. Anong gagawin natin dito? Take this table of computation. Yung interest ni C at the date of withdrawal will be updated as follows. Yung beginning niya, 30,000. Now, meron siyang share in net profit na 2,700. But the question is, how? Paano na-compute yung 2,700? Meron tayong asterisk dito, at ito yon. Ito yung ating basis ng computation. 27,000 times 1/2 times 2 over 10. Bakit siya times 1/2? Bakit siya times 2 over 10? Dito, ang 1/2 represents 6 months. Kasi, after 6 months, magre-retire siya or magwi-withdraw siya sa partnership. So, yun yung kukumputan natin. And then, 210 is the P&L ratio of partner C. O 27,000 given, o times 6 months, good for 6 months na equivalent. Tapos yung share niya doon sa net profit or net loss, which is 532 kaya 2/10. Kaya ang makukompute dyan ay 2,700. Now, meron siyang regular drawings, given naman 1,500. Pag kinumpute natin yan, ang kanyang capital balance prior to his or her withdrawal will be 31,200. At yun yung isasarado natin sa libro ng partnership. How about if at the end of the year, profit was 30,000? Then, si partners A and B, yung remaining partners, paghahatian nila ito, pero ibabawas yung na-i-distribute na, yung in-advance na share in net profit kay partner C nung siya ay nag-withdraw, which is 2,700. Kaya, ang paghahatian na lang ay 27,300. Yung formula is 30,000 minus 2,700. Itong amount na ito, paghahatian ng remaining partner on their new ratio na 5:3. Kasi dati, 5:3:2, dahil natanggal si partner C, yung 2 kaya 5:3 na lang. Okay? The partner may withdraw by selling his or her share to an outsider or to the remaining partners. Dito, papasok yung dalawang klase ng partner withdrawal. Now, this is similar doon sa ating admission ng isang partner or multiple partners by purchase of interest or by admission by contribution of assets. Dito, meron tayong tinatawag na partners acquisition of interest at meron din tayong tinatawag na partnership acquisition of interest. Pero syempre, ang emphasis muna natin dito, as given doon sa title ng itong lecture na ito, is yung partners buyout or yung acquisition of interest. And take note of the following information with respect to our partners acquisition of interest. Sabi dito, partners acquisition of the interest of the withdrawing partner is similar in procedures with that of admission of a new partner by purchase of interest. So, yun yung magkahalintulad, Yun nga lang ang difference. Sa purchase of interest, may partner na papasok. Dito sa acquisition of interest, may partner na lalabas. Pero in terms of procedure, parehas yan. Kasi, there is a direct acquisition of interest from the withdrawing partner by the buying partners. Doon kasi sa purchase of interest, yung incoming partner, bibili ng porsyento ng interest doon sa existing partner. Dito, bibilhin ng existing partner yung interest noong withdrawing partner. So basically, transaction is personal pa rin in nature between the withdrawing partner and the buying partners. So ano lang yung nire-record natin sa partnership? Yung transfer of interest. The same with your purchase of interest. So example, we have case number 22, si M, si C, and si Q being the partners with capital balances of 300, 200, and 100,000 respectively. They share profit or loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. So halos similar doon sa kanilang capital balances. For health reasons, si partner Q withdraws from the partnership and C bought the equity of Q for 110,000. So anong magiging journal entry dito na i-record sa libro ng partnership? Take note na regardless of the amount paid by the buying partner, ang nire-record lang natin dito sa libro ng partnership is yung transfer ng interest at the book value. So kung magkano yung capital balance ng withdrawing partner, yun lang yung itatransfer natin doon sa isa or higit pang mga buying partners. So, ang journal entry natin dito, dahil 100,000 yon, in the absence of any information to the contrary, o didebit natin si Q Capital. I-credit natin si C Capital for 100,000 pesos. So, ganun lang ang ating journal entry. Emphasis lang, yung transfer is recorded at book value. Regardless kung magkano yung actual na binayaran, which in this case was 110,000. O now suppose na yung binayaran talaga ni partner C kay partner Q ay 85,000 lang, ang i-record pa rin natin sa libro ay yung 100,000. So in this case, parang merong implicit na bonus between the buying and the selling partner, pero hindi na yun nire-record sa libro ng partnership. Okay? So ganito lang ang ating simple illustration sa partner's buyout of interest or your partner's acquisition of interest. Sa susunod na lecture, pag-usapan naman natin yung partnership acquisition. Yung magkakaroon ng buyout from the partnership. Okay? So anyway, pag-usapan natin yon sa lecture number 14. Pero hanggang dito muna tayo sa lecture number 13 and I'll see you around sa susunod na episode. Thank you and bye-bye.